When the supertrend is red, I wait for the price to bounce down from it. The moment the price touches the supertrend, I go short with a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Here's the result of today's strategy. After 97 short trades, my initial $1,000 account grows to $4,591. This strategy has a 64% win rate. So if you would like to take advantage of Bitcoin's downtrend and make money in a bear market, keep watching. I'm going to share the exact rules for entering and exiting trades, so you'll be able to use this strategy for yourself. Yeah, the Supertrend indicator is going to be the hero again. I love writing scripts for this indicator. It's always a pleasure to discover new ways of trading with it. Click the like button to show your support and let's get right into it. I'm on a 1-hour time frame and I set the length of my Supertrend to 40. While it's red, I wait for the price to climb up and reach the supertrend. The moment the price touches the red line, I enter a trade. Now be careful, when we are trading in real time, the live bar is still in the making, so the supertrend has not been calculated yet here. Let's go one to the left. This bar is closed and has the supertrend calculated. This is the supertrend value that we need to look at. I can catch that price by setting up a limit order. So again, if the price of the live bar touches the supertrend of the previous bar, at that moment I enter a short trade. Now let's define our targets. This strategy has a fixed profit target. It's always 4%. And when I set my stop loss, I use a 1 to 1.1 risk-reward ratio. This is essentially a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, but I like to make profit targets just slightly bigger than stop losses. I do this to cover the trading commission. So even if the win rate drops to 50%, I still don't lose money. Again, my take profit is 4% below my entry point and my stop loss is 3.64% above my entry. Let's do one more example to clarify everything. Here I am anticipating that the price is going to hit the supertrend of the previous bar. The price went up and I enter here at this point. I set my profit target 4% below the entry. The stop loss is at 3.64% above the entry point. In this case, the trade would be a loss, and that's perfectly fine. As long as there are more wins than losses, this strategy remains profitable. That's it, it's time for the results already. By risking 5% of the account per trade, this trading technique would make a 3x return after 141 trades. That's all great, the only thing I don't like about this is the win rate. For a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, I would like to see the win rate go above 60%. I did some additional experiments and discovered that this strategy responds well to this trend filter that I'm about to show in a second. Let's switch to an 8-hour time frame and add the RSI indicator to the chart. This is a standard 14-period RSI. We can only take trades if RSI at the last close bar is below 50, like here. The last bar is not closed yet, so we ignore it. Again, we need to take a look at the most recent closed bar. If the RSI here is below 50, we can take trades on the 1-hour chart. By adding this rule to the strategy, I improved the results significantly. The number of trades drops to 97 and at the same time the final result goes way up. Now the account grows to $4,591, which is outstanding. The win rate is also increased accordingly to 64%, and now I'm super happy with it. A good thing about this strategy is that it barely needs leverage, and as a result, the trading fees are going to be pretty low, and that's always good news. If you would like to see how much this strategy makes if we increase or decrease the risk, look at the table at the end of the video. Seriously, that table is very important, don't miss it. What you see now on the screen are all the 97 trades that this strategy made from January 2021 to May 2022. If you would like to get alerts when this strategy goes short, I made an indicator for TradingView that you can find a link to in the description. If you like the strategy and would like to try it out, you might find the script handy. But beware, this strategy, just like any other, could stop working in the future. You're using it at your own risk. Now while you click the like button, I want to show you something even more exciting. Now I have two strategies applied to the chart. The orange trades are today's strategy, but the yellow ones are from my previous video. They mix very well with each other. Make sure you watch this video for more shorting power!